we got a big bull!
Oh my gosh, it's coming out of the rain too.
It is coming out of the rain. Guys, we're gonna get plastered here not too long. Everyone get ready.
Oh, it's coming this way!
It's coming right towards us.
Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's going fast. Yeah, there's definitely a funnel in there.
Just don't go rain wrapped.
There's what? I don't know.
Big donut hole RFD forming again.
What?
I said a big donut hole RFD forming again.
It's trying.
Oh, dude, that's gonna do it. Oh my gosh, look at this.
I know, that's beautiful over there.
Found it. See it? Yep.
Where's the power poles were in the way?
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
That can easily do it right there.
Oh.
That's pretty much going.
Anytime here.
It's tornado wind.
Oh, is that a funnel?
Yep, that's tornado wind.
Yeah,
Yep, vortex, on the ground. Oh my gosh. Look at that circulation.
It's another big circulation.
That's gonna be another nice cone, guys.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a biggie too.
Stupid rain.
Oh, it's on the ground!
It's on the ground, Forces.
Multiple vortex.
On the ground. Oh yeah, look at that.
Tornado number 21.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god, yeah. Guys, you gotta get pictures. I'm getting video. Very nice. Again?
Yeah.
Come on, do it again.
Come on, baby. Oh, the lighting is absolutely beautiful.
I know, the lighting, if it can just touch down.
I think he's gonna do it again.
Says, I'm more comfortable being on this side than where we were. I like having an east option as opposed to north. Look at this over here, too.
Oh my gosh, another
Guys, it's gonna go right behind us. We're gonna get blasted again here in a second.
Oh, jeez.
Guys, they're coming right towards us. Come on, touchdown! Shit, guys, we need to go. Get in.
I'll get the,
Oh, it's
Hey, film.
I will, gotcha.
Oh, it's touching down.
Film. Wait, film.
I got it.
Scott's got it. Go.
No, we're good. We're good for a second.
No, we're fine. I know it's like conflicting information.
Go down on the ground. Oh, you're good.
Yeah, okay.
I should have never done this.
Well, this is your third one in one day.